Hi, now I will show you how GreeNanny works. It can use two power sources, USB charger as for smartphone or a lithium rechargeable battery. Here we got 10 fittings for outgoing connection and one water supply. Usually you have to charge the battery once in 4 or 6 months. So now GreeNanny is looking for connection. Now I will run my app. Now we need to make some settings. For example, for second, let's set 30 milliliters and everyday watering, and 7. Let's set 25 milliliters and everyday watering. Also, you can set system time and watering time. I will set it to make watering in a minute. So let's connect first tube to second fitting. Now water supply. And finally we'll connect it to 7th fitting. Here we have nozzle to spray water. Also you can customize language, water measurement units and time format. So now GreeNanny will start watering. Let's see. The second one. So as you can see, everything works good. Thanks for watching.